everyone. Good morning. Happy Diwali. For Diwali, I have a great surprise. My mom right here, and I'm going to interview her for her favorite oils because she uses them. She loves them, and I thought, why not ask her some questions and learn something fun, something good, useful from her. So let's do that. And this video might be a little bit in Gujarati also because she may speak Gujarati English both. So if that happens, I'll translate it for you guys so everybody can understand. And let's get started. So, Mama, say hi to everyone.
Hi.
So, my first question: do you like oils?
Yeah, I like very much.
Okay, look over there. Okay, and so what are your favorite oils and how you use them?
My favorite oil, thieves,
Okay,
peppermint.
wait. So thieves, why you love thieves so much?
જ્યારે જ્યારે મને માથું દુખે કે જ્યારે મને ઊંઘ ના આવતી હોય પછી બહુ શરદી થઈ હોય તો હું આને મધ અને આ થીવ્સના 4-5 ડ્રોપ્સ નાખી અને પી લેતી હોઉં છું તો મને બહુ રાહત રહે છે સરસ ઓકે થઈ જાય છે બીજે દિવસે.
Yay. So what mommy is saying that thieves she uses as like for like cough or cold or anything like that. She mixes a few drops in honey and takes it, and within next day she feels great. So that's why she loves thieves. Okay, you also love peppermint. I know that. So why do you love peppermint so
For
much?
headache, જ્યારે માથું દુખે ને ત્યારે હું આ લગાવું છું. મને પેટમાં પણ કશી ગરબડ થાય તો હું આ લગાવતી હોઉં છું તો મને બહુ સરસ ઊંઘ આવી જાય છે. અહીંયા છાતીએ બી લગાવું છું અને ઊંઘ આવી જાય છે સરસ રીતે અને સારું થઈ જાય છે માથું.
You know મમ્મી પેપરમિન્ટ થી ઘણા લોકોને ઊંઘ નથી આવતી. તમને ઊંઘ આવે છે તો સારું કહેવાય.
મને આનાથી ઊંઘ આવી જાય છે. રાતે લગાવતી હોઉં છું. અહીંયા માથે લગાવું, નાક આગળ લગાવું, અહીંયા લગાવું અને અહીંયા પેટે લગાવું છું.
Okay. So this is so interesting what mom is saying, that peppermint helps us sleep good. Now this is so different for everyone. That's why we love to learn from each other, because many people say that peppermint makes them energized and they cannot go back to sleep. But mom loves peppermint for sleep, and she also uses for headache like all of us do, applies on her temples, and she loves it for the tummy issues, and so she rubs it on the tummy, on the chest to breathe better, around the nose to breathe better. So it helps her to breathe better in general, and headaches and sleep. Who knew that? Right? That's
આ
awesome.
છે ને તે મારે કશે બહાર જવું હોય ને બહાર ગામ કઈ રહેવા કે કશે તો મારા પર્સમાં આ બે હોય.
Oh, okay, that's great. So mom keeps these two in her purse always, peppermint and thieves. I do that too, Mama. So I put peppermint. I keep peppermint in my purse. Thieves. When we go out, we have a bunch of oils that we take. But that's great. Okay, so favorite oils. Now, what else, Mama? Next one.
ફ્રેન્કન્સીસ એ હું ફેસ પર લગાડું છું અને એનાથી મને એની સ્મેલ મને બહુ ગમે છે ને એ પણ સારું લાગે છે. મને લાગે છે કે મોઢા પર કંઈક ડિફરન્સ લાગે છે.
Yes, all the ladies love frankincense. So what mom is saying, she loves to put it on the face. It gives her glow, and she sees difference in her skin with this. You know, Mama, all the ladies, they all love this frankincense. And it smells great too. Mommy loves the smell of this. It smells amazing. Frankincense is so nice. Okay, next one. So she has arranged her favorite oils in the sequence. Okay.
લવંડર છે.
Lavender.
એ પણ મને જ્યારે ઘણીવાર ખંજવાળ આવતી હોય ને એવું થતું હોય હાથે કે તો લગાડું છું તો મને રાહત રહે છે. કોકોનટ ઓઇલ
અને તમારું એલર્જી માટે,
એલર્જી માટે
સ્કિન એલર્જી,
એમના એના માટે સારું રહે છે. ને પેલું પ્યોરિટી આવે છે ને એ કાન પાછળ,
Purification.
હા પ્યુરિફિકેશન, એ કાન પાછળ હું લગાવું છું ને તો મને આમ સારું સંભળાતું હોય એવું લાગે છે થોડું.
Wow, but that's a great tips. There is so much to learn from everyone. So I'm learning so much because we did not do dry run of this. We are doing spontaneous, like spontaneous thing because we really wanted to just have fun. So what mom is saying that she loves lavender for her itchy skin. She gets like patches of allergies on her skin, so she uses coconut oil mixed with lavender for that. And also she loves purification, which we forgot to include here, behind her ears for she says that she can hear better when she does that. So that's the awesome tip, because that's something new for me. We use purification, like for my daughter, we use it behind her ears for her ear infection or anything like that. But for hearing, that's great. Okay, I'm learning so much. I'm having so much fun. I hope you guys are also enjoying this. Okay mama, next one.
વેલોર અને આ લોવેલ ટી છે એ સેન્ટ તરીકે વપરાય છે. સુગંધી એની સારી આવે છે, કંઈક જઈએ તો લગાડ્યું તો ચાલે.
Okay, so mom loves essential oils as perfumes. We have, as family, all of us have stopped using artificial fragrances and perfumes altogether once we found out how bad they are, and once we found the alternative. We have oils now, so why do we need those toxic chemicals? So she loves loyalty. This is the special oil. If you remember my essential rewards video, this is one that you cannot purchase. You get it for free when you complete like 12 months with us on essential rewards with Young Living. So, and this is made with rose and sandalwood. How does it smell to you, mama? What do you think? How does it, like, what does it smell like? સેના જેવી સુગંધ છે આની?
કોઈ મંદિર જેવી લાગે છે થોડી.
She because it has sandalwood, and in temples in India we have like sandalwood smell a lot. The incense and all these things are used, so it smells like that to her. So she thinks it smells like temple. So pretty, so beautiful smell. Her last time when we had her here, so she has been carrying it everywhere and using it as a perfume. Valor is another, like everybody loves this one as a perfume. Okay.
Then black pepper, cinnamon and lemon. આ થ્રી છે ને તો હું મારા પાણીની અંદર લીંબુ અને મધ નાખું અને આ ડ્રોપ્સ નાખું છું અને એમાં બ્લેક પેપર નાખું તો મને બહુ જ સરસ લાગતું હોય છે
ટેસ્ટમાં.
હા,
અને
આ સિનેમન પણ. એટલે આ ત્રણેયનું બહુ મસ્ત
કોમ્બિનેશન
છે.
આપણે એક વસ્તુ ભૂલી ગયા મમ્મા, નટમેગ.
હા, નટમેગ એ પણ નાખું છું.
So mom loves nutmeg. If you are from India
Ginger.
and you love cooking, then you're gonna love the spices and you're gonna love the nutmeg, because we use nutmeg spice in everything in Indian cooking, like lots of desserts and even garam masala and all that. There will be nutmeg in it, little bit. So she loves that smell. I forgot to get it here. And she loves putting all these oils in her water in the morning. It's great for immunity, it's great for detoxification, it's great for overall health and wellness. And mom absolutely loves black pepper, I can tell you that. she just said that that's her favorite because it smells like that spicy smell, just like nutmeg. She loves nutmeg and black pepper the most out of all this oils that we put in water. Actually, she loves all the spicy oils. She loves cinnamon, right mama?
Ginger.
And ginger. So she enjoys grapefruit oil. Yes, we forgot to include that in here. So grapefruit oil. So all these oils are really good in your drinks and water because it just tastes so good. and like she said, warm water with honey and lemon, and all this three and some more oils. So we absolutely enjoy that flavor. She makes the same water for me right now when she is with me. She makes the same thing for me, and I enjoy it so much. And of course she has it. So that's great, Mama. So what is your last, like, what do you want to say to people who are like Indian aunties and uncles?
પેન હવે આવે છે
હમ.
એ જે પગનો દુખાવો હોય છે
Hmm.
લેમન ગ્રાસ પેન આવે અને બીજું ભૂલી ગઈ એ 2-3 ઓઇલ છે એ લગાવીએ તો બહુ સારું લાગે છે
Okay. The
દુખાવામાં
muscle
બહુ સારું
balm
હોય
I
છે
made
હા
you.
હા
Hmm.
મસલ બામ બનાય તો
Hmm.
એ બધું દુખાવામાં બહુ સારું લાગે છે
Hmm.
અને એજવાળા લોકોને તો આ થીવ્સ પણ બહુ સારું કારણ કે શરદી ને બધું થતું હોય
Hmm.
તો એની અંદર થોડા ડ્રોપ્સ નાખીને પી લે તો બહુ સરસ રહે છે
Hmm. So mom is saying that people who are like of a little more age, they can actually, I would say all the age, they enjoy the same way the oils. But you know, sometimes we feel like, oh, it's only for young people, oh, it's only for kids, or you know, it's not for older people. But it's not true. In fact, it is so helpful. It's as has, like, we equally get benefited from all of this, all the age range, all of us, and we equally happily use this, and it makes us so happy that we have found this. She's as much excited as I am about the essential oils, which I absolutely love about her. And so what she said, that for aches and pains, she loves Panaway and lemongrass, and what else?
પેલું વિન્ટર
Wintergreen mixed with coconut oil. I made her a muscle balm with all these things, so she loves that, and she likes to apply that every day on her muscles to soothe the muscles. So that was this fun session with my mom. Let me know in the comment how you like it, and I hope you enjoyed it. This is my, like, mom is doing something like this for the first time, and I'm so proud of her, and she did awesome, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Mama, you want to say something like happy Diwali?
હેપી દિવાળી
અને કશું કેવું છે તમારે છેલ્લે? Thank you for watching.
હા
Like, share, subscribe.
સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરજો
Okay.
ઓકે
That's enough. Thank you so much. All right. Thank you, Mama. And thank you, everyone. And bye bye.